Is it?
Trying to. It looks like crap. There's somebody's car. I didn't even zoom it in good. The purple one was pretty. That one too. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm. I like those when they fall like that. They're pretty. Can't see it that good. Oh yeah, that was cool. Man, what the heck? What's that about? Maybe it's a fire. Oh, you're missing them. Those are pretty.
I thought that was like that little alarm thing that they do when zombies are coming out.
There's no zombies, but yeah, it would be something like that. Or maybe just for the firefighters. I think it's about to be the finale.
What's the finale?
I'm gonna do a lot right at the end.
Oh, they do really, really big ones.
Mhm.
The helicopters.
Yeah, I see it too. It's higher than those are. It looks like it's close. It's not. Doesn't zoom good, man. What the heck? I want to go back to Pittsburgh for 4th of July, too. I need to go there.
Also in Jacobford, Ocean City. Don't they have like fireworks on the beach then?
Yeah, I think they were. Oh, yeah, they were doing tonight for the storm yesterday. That was pretty. That's cool.